Okay.
Well, Njue, today is the 5th day of September 2022, and we are likely to see a situation whether the President-elect, Dr. William Ruto, is going to be confirmed as the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya, or his dreams are going to be deferred to a later date. So it's indeed a good day. I agree and acknowledge the sentiments of my co-panelist that the Lord has made. It's a big day for Kenya. Remember, even after we cast our ballot on the 9th day of August 2022, 7 judges of the Supreme Court of Kenya are also going to cast their vote on whether what we did was proper, was justified, or on whether the declaration that was made by the chairman, Wafula Chebukati, or the chairperson for the IBC, was proper in law. So really, when we come to the issues, you remember, the beauty about the law is that, as Jeremy Bentham will put it, is that lawyers and probably scholars of law should be able, from where they sit, to predict the outcomes of law. Mm-hmm. But we are sitting in very very interesting times, because if you read the Standard newspaper, if you read the Nation newspaper, there seems to be confidence being exuded from both camps, from the Kenya Kwanza, from the Azimio, and this is just to show or demonstrate the disparity in which we look at the law, so that this also pays credence to why, in the first place, we have judges to determine the different positions that are always taken by lawyers. So really, when we come to the issues that were framed, there are 9 issues, particularly to speak, that the judges are called upon to respond to. And you've just mentioned on the reliefs that are supposed to be granted. So really, we are not in a mediation session, or we do not have, this is not a negotiation process.
Or an arbitration.
Yes, or an arbitration for that purpose. But you see, an arbitration process is almost similar to a court session, because we have verdicts or awards. So a mediation, and I am a practicing mediator, and I will tell you that mediation seeks to find a middle ground, so that there is a win-win solution. And probably for the purpose of the viewers that we have at home to understand the difference between a court process and a mediation process, you will better go back to history, when you go back to the year 2008, and see what became of the post-election dispute that we had. We did not have an agreement born or a decision born from a court decision, no. We had a brokered process where Kofi Annan came and helped us in brokering a deal where we had a win-win, an almost win-win solution. So that we had, Mwai Kibaki, and may God rest his soul in peace, becoming the president, and the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga becoming the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, or the first Prime Minister under the way post the independence period. So that is as far as the mediation process is concerned. But what we are going to have, and this is a view of the reliefs that have been sought, the likely eventuality we are going to experience after the verdict is read today by the 7 judges of the Supreme Court, is that we are going to have one winner and one loser. So either we will have a confirmation that the declaration by Wafula Wanyonyi Chebukati declaring Dr. William Samoei Ruto as the president-elect is proper in law. So that will essentially mean a loss for the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and his followers in the Azimio One Kenya Alliance. So that is on one hand. On the second hand, we are either going to have a declaration that says that, wait, as far as we are concerned, the Supreme Court judges, the understanding, or our understanding of what Chebukati did on the 15th day of August 2022 was improper as far as the Constitution is concerned. And to that extent, then we nullify the declaration that was made. We declare it to be null and void. It is of no legal consequence. So then the outcome will be that, you see, as far as Article 140 is concerned, then we have a repeat of the process. A similar situation that we found ourselves in the year 2017, after the first day of September 2017, when Maraga and the team, Justice retired Emeritus Maraga and the team, declared the win of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta to be invalid. So we return to that position. So this will, in a sense, tell you that we will have, Raila Amolo Odinga will have a second bite at the cherry as far as the presidential election is concerned. And probably Dr. William Ruto will have his dream deferred, if at all he is to just get a win again So really, it's a dicey situation if you ask me, and that is why this must explain the anxiety that you are seeing here and there.
Yes.